About this game?
Yeah.
It's. I think it's a bit frustrating for us. We wanted to come back with a win from San Jose, but unfortunately we didn't. But we're going to keep the positive and take a point from here. It's good for us for the following season.
So last year you were superstar in your team, scoring so many goals, and this year you have Carlos Ruiz. So how you adjust your role for a team?
My role is a little bit different from last year. I'm a role leader now on this team, and the most important is we have wins and we stay on top of the standing. That's where we are right now. So I'm pretty happy about that. And after, and I'm sure my prestation still follow, even if I don't score as many goals. But I keep work hard for my team, and it's what matters.
A week or so, your team will face Real Madrid. What means to you guys?
For me, it's the best team. I always dream to play. For and I'm young. I'm from France, so it's a team I used to follow. With Zinedine Zidane, the best French player who used to play there, and other players who passed by this team. It's for me like the best team in Europe. So I'm looking like a kid to play against them. It's going to be a lot of fun.
So there's a good chance you're going to have a conversation in French with Zinedine because he's working for Real Madrid now.
Yeah, I don't know if he will be here, but it would be nice to meet him.
So, but what your team like? How you guys react? You guys reacted to the fact that you're facing Real Madrid in the middle of the summer?
It's like last year. Against Manchester United, it's something we are going to live during the week. We play Everton before on Wednesday, and after we have Real Madrid on Saturday. So it's going to be a very nice week. But I'm sure every guys want to do well and to don't play and lose badly against those teams. We know they're in preparation, but we want to play well and show that US soccer is getting better every year, and we have a very good team.
Yes, you guys on the top of the Eastern Conference. What really changed this year in the team? I know you get the defensive acquisitions and stuff like that, but what changed in the locker?
I think it's all the experience the guys took from last year. All the young players we have and who are still here and now are playing. I think they are more confident to attack the game, and we know as a team we can do lots of good things. And like you say, with the good defensive player we got with Carlos Valdez and Claudio Mondragon, it I think stabilized a lot our defense, and from that I think we can attack better and get some points away like we did tonight, and it's good for the confident. And every weekend we get some points even if at home or away, and I think it's a huge difference from last year, because I think a game like that last year we will use it maybe at the last minute, and even if we play a good game, but this year we are more solid, and I think more confident in our players.
Okay, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup.